Hi, welcome to another video from TechRanjee. In this video, we will review the brand new smart ring from BoAt. BoAt has just launched its first smart ring in India, called the Smart Ring Gen 1. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed review of the ring, including its features, accuracy, and value for money. The Smart Ring Gen 1 has a premium ceramic design and weighs just 7.9 grams, making it very comfortable to wear. It comes in two sizes, 7 and 9, so you can choose the one that fits your finger best. The ring is powered by a 6-axis motion sensor and has a battery life of up to 5 to 7 days. It also has a 5 ATM water resistance rating, so you can wear it in the shower or pool. The Smart Ring Gen 1 has a variety of features, including body temperature monitoring, sleep tracking, smart activity tracking, steps, calories, distance, smart touch control, for controlling music, taking photos, etc. SOS feature, heart rate monitoring, body recovery training, SpO2 monitoring, female tracking. If you're looking for a stylish and comfortable ring with some basic fitness tracking features, the Smart Ring Gen 1 is a decent option. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel for more videos.